Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting, and today we're going to do day 4 of the 12 days of crafting by Aldi. So we've got our kit here and we're just working it down. We're going to get all 12 down, and so let's go ahead, give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Have you done the Aldi kit before? And also subscribe. Make sure you subscribe so you know when the next video comes out. So let's go ahead and go take a look.
All right, so today is day 4. So let's see, what are we gonna make today? They're always in these cute little packages, very small and easy to work with, very quick crafts. These are all like 5-minute crafts. You could do these easily in 5 minutes. Even your kids could probably do this in 5 minutes. So it looks like we're gonna make a wreath. Oh no, this is a picture holder. This will hold pictures. It's a ornament that holds pictures, which I don't have pictures, so yeah. When I saw this photo template here, or the shape that you're supposed to cut out your picture into, I thought, well, I don't have any pictures, so I guess I gotta print some. So I found a picture of me and my dog. So that's the picture I'm going to use. And then I'm going to cut out the little template here for the size. And then that's not going to work because I can't see the picture. So instead of that, do it the other way and use what I cut out, the circle that I cut out. I'm just going to draw a little circle around my picture and cut that out. Now, hopefully you have a family or you have children or something you could put in your little picture, or just do your significant other, or just your dog, or just your cat, or whatever. This is a picture I had on hand easily in my computer, so that's what I printed. And then we're going to stick this little cover piece. The cover piece has sticky on the back there, so we're gonna stick this together. And we are going to put a hanger, but I didn't like the blue hanger for this ornament, so I am going to use this little ribbon that I had from some other hanger at some point in my life. You know, if you keep stuff like this, then you can use it when you need it, right? It's not a hoarder, though. Not a hoarder. Don't be a hoarder. Just keep the stuff you're going to use, which sounds like a hoarder. Anyway, that's not the point here. So we're just going to peel off that sticky paper on the back of the, whatever this is considered, the ornament front, I guess it is. I'm going to stick the hang tag on the back of that and then stick that onto the Christmas ornament. It looks like a Christmas bulb to me, but whatever, the ornament. And then they've got some other little pieces you stick on to decorate it from. So we'll put the little gold top on. Isn't that cute? Adorable. I remembered the glue dot. Oh, we're not there yet. Sorry. We got to finish decorating. Sorry. I think I ended up putting on another piece or two after I finished this as well. But I don't think I took a picture of it. And like all the other ornaments that I've made so far, you could make this cuter by using some Dollar Tree stickers and whatever else. There's the glue dot I was mentioning. I used the glue dot to put the ribbon on, so that's perfect. But you could make it look how you wanted it to look using Dollar Tree additives. And look at how cute it is. Isn't that great? Me and my little doggy. That's a cute ornament. I actually like that. I think that's my favorite so far. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope you could give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Please remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.